Welcome to my class. In today's class, we will learn the column method to find the square value of a number. This column method is especially helpful when the number is a two-digit number, but then when the number becomes three-digit or more, then this method becomes complex and time-consuming. And for them, three-digit or higher digit number, we have several other methods that we will be learning in our consecutive classes. So let's start the class with column method. We will understand this method with few examples, so that way we can understand this method in a better way. So first we will find the square value of 63. 63 is a two-digit number. Now what we will do is we will split this two-digit number. We will take two variables. Say let's say a is a variable which will hold the value that we have at tens place. So in this number 63, the value at tens place or the digit at tens place is 6. So a for us will be 6, and we will take another variable which will hold the value or the digit that we have at units place or ones place in that given number. So b will be 3. So this is the first step what we have to do. Then we have to create three columns. As you can see here that I have already created three columns, column 1, column 2, column 3. Now after doing this is our second step. What we will do in the next step, we will use this identity. This is an important identity for column method, and that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And all of us are well aware of this identity. So in the first column or under first column, we will keep a square, that term. In the second column or under second column, we will keep the middle term 2ab, and under third column we will keep this the last term, which is b square. Now in our case, a is equal to 6. So what will be a square? Easily we can find, because this is our single digit number, so it will be 36. B in our case is 3. So what will be b square? B square will be 9. And what will be the value of 2ab? 2ab will be 2 multiplied by a, which is 6, multiplied by b, which is 3. So it will be 3 6 are 18, 2 are 36. So it is 36. So what we will do is, under a square, or in our case the value of a square is 36. So in the next step we will write that value. Then 2ab for us is again 36. It may not be equal always, so it is 36 in our case for this particular example, and b square in our case is 9. Now what we will do next is we will take the first, we will start with column 3 and we will take the value of b square. Now here the value of b square is 9. It is a single digit number or single digit value, but if suppose it was a two digit number, then what we would have done, we would have kept the value what we had in units place or ones place, and we would have moved the value or digit that we had in the tens place. So in this case, since we have only single digit number, so we will keep that number. So in our case it is 9. We can underline that number, or we can write separately, or we can remember that number, or we can write, or we can repeat here. So this is 9. Then what we will do, then we will write the value what we have under 2ab or as 2ab. Then we will add that number or that digit what we have moved from column 3. In our case it was basically 09. We had 0 at tens place, so we have moved 0 in column 2 from column 3. So we will be adding 0 with 36. So the result of summation here is 36. Now what we will do, here we have a two digit number. So we will keep the digit that we have in units place or ones place. So it is 6. So we will underline that, or we may write here separately, or we can remember that. And the digit or value that we have at tens place, that we will move from column 2 to column 1. Then the value that we have as a square under column 1, that we will write here. And then the digit or the value that we have moved from column 2 to column 1, that we will add with that a square value, and we will add them, these two values. So it will be 39. And since this is our last column, as per the column number, this is our column 1 or first column, but since we have started from the last column, so this is our last column where we will stop our processing. So we will take the whole number after summation, whatever we are getting, we will take the whole number, and that is 39 here. Now we started from 63. We wanted to find the square value of 63. So here the square value of 63 will be, now we will move from left to right, from column 1 to column 3, and whatever we have here in the last row, that we will write one by one after another. So it will be 3, then 9, then 6, then 9. So square value of 63 is 3969. Now next we will solve another example using this column method, and for that we have taken 87. Now 87, so what we will do, again we will take A as 8, the digit that we have at tens place, and B as the digit that we have at ones place. So 8 and B is 7. Again we will use the same identity. So under column 1 we have a square, under column 2 we have 2AB, and under column 3 we have B square. So a square is what? A is 8 in our case, so a square will be 64. B in our case is 7, so B square will be 49, and 2AB. Next 2AB is how much? 2, then we have A 8, and then B is 7. So 7 8s are 56, and 2s are, it will be 112. So a square in our case, the value of a square is 64, value of 2AB is 112, value of B square is 49. Now what we will do, we will start from column 3 or from our last columns. Then what we will do, we will keep the digit that we have at ones place, and that is 9 in our case. We will move the digit that we have at tens place to column 2. And here we have 112 as 2AB, as the value of 2AB, and we will be adding the value that we had at in column 3 at tens place. So here it is 4 that we have moved here, and then we will add these two values. So after addition it will be 1 1, then 6. Next what we will do, we will keep the digit that we have at ones place or units place, so it is 6, and then we will move rest of the digits to the next column or column 1. Here already we have 64, and then we have moved 11, so it is 5, and then it is 7. So next what we will do, we will write the whole number after summation, whatever result we have obtained here, 75. So the square value of 87 will be what? Now we will move from column 1 to column 3 in this direction. So it will be 7, then after that 5, then it will be 6, then it will be 9. So I hope it is clear to you, the column method, but still we will proceed with another example to make it more clear. Now this time we will be finding the square value of 96. So A will be in our case 9 and B will be 6. Again we are using the same identity. Now A is equal to 9 means A square will be 81. Fine. Now B is in our case 6 means B square will be 36. I hope it is pretty clear. Now 2AB. 2AB will be how much? 2, then A is 9 and B is 6. So it is 6 9s are 54 and then 54 2s are 108. So what we will do in the next step, A square, the value of A square is 81, value of 2AB is 108. And value of B square in our case for this example is 36. So 36, that means we will keep the digit at units place, and that is 6, and we will move 3 to the next column, column 2, where we already had number 108. We will add this 3 with 108, so it is 8 3 11, and then it is 1. So we will keep the digit at units place, which is 1, and we will move rest of the digits to the next column, which is column 1, where we already have 81. So 81 will be added with 11, and the result of addition is 92. So the whole result of addition we will write here in the last row. Square of 96 means which value? It will be, again as we know, we will move from column 1 to column 3 this time, and that will be 9216. So I hope you have enjoyed this class and you have learned the column method to find square value of a given number very well. So with this I end today's class. Thank you.